Hello guys, good evening. Nagluluto tayo ngayon ng adobong kabuti. Ayan ang ating kabuti. Ito guys, kabuti. Nangabuti tayo. Hindi nga lang sa kabundukan. Nangabuti ako sa palengke. Ayan. Bawang muna. Ang ginamit ko, olive oil. Ayan. As you can see, it's olive oil. Ayan. Dito ako nagluto sa lamesa kasi gusto ko itong lutuan na to. Inconvenience for me. And sibuyas. Onion. I put garlic, onion. Of course, first oil. The virgin olive oil. Yes. Ayan. Taglish ang ating salita, okay? Para maintindihan ng lahat. So, the other viewers understand what I'm saying. Olive oil, garlic, and onion first. Lightly brown. Of course, next, our main ingredients. Ayan. This one is mushroom. Yes. I make it adobo. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Adobo mushroom. Because in Philippines, I'm doing always we cook adobo mushroom. We call it kabuti. In Batangas, this month, August, is a lot kabuti now, wild kabuti. The people wake up very, very early in the morning, like 3 a.m. in the morning to hunt the wild kabuti. So, imagine that, 3 early in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning, to hunt the wild kabuti. Because if you wake up like 8 o'clock, no more at all. Because the people wake up very early, like 3 a.m. in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. So, ano pang maabutan mo? Ayan. So, ihalo na natin ang ating tuyo. Ayan. Ito ay young kabuti, cultured. So, it's very clean. But I wash anyway. So, ayan. Adobo sa tuyo. Hindi na natin kailangan tulagyan ng suka kasi hindi lang to karne. Tuyo lang at seasoning. I use seasoning Vegeta. Gourmet Vegeta. This one is really nice. Yeah. Don't put too much because, you know, the mushroom is it's very tasty already anyway. So, I just maximize the taste. Yes, this one the adobo kabuti. And now, our process is, we let it dry. No water, just soy sauce. And stir a bit, and that's it. And of course, we pinch black pepper a bit, just little bit only, because we don't want to very spicy. Wow, delicious adobo kabuti. Here in Australia, the food is very, very cheap. A lot food bank. Hindi ka magugutom dito sa Australia kahit wala kang pera. Pumunta ka lang, you go just in the food bank. They have free food there. You just bring your concession card if you're under Centrelink. And if you're not under Centrelink, you just bring your Medicare card, and that's it. Ayan. We just wait until dry this one, guys. So, a bit like 10 minutes. And of course, I let it hold the video to minimize the video, to make it short story. I hold for now. We cover it for now, guys, and we wait until dry. So we have a look later. Oh, now I come back. Now look at this, very watery. So that's how the adobo is. Maybe we let it with the water, and now it's cooked already. Wow, yummy. Yeah, look at that. This is the adobo mushroom. May I see? I get a spoon, how look like, how taste. And the adobo. We taste the adobo, guys. You can see me. Oh la la. Look like a meat. Look like a meat. Guys. Patutuyo-tuyuin lang natin para masarap siya. Gusto ko yung patuyo ba? Ayan. Hayaan lang natin muna siya. At i-hold ko na naman ang video. Ayan guys, patuyo na ang ating adobo. As you can see, pawala na ang sabaw. Ayan. At i-garnish natin ng aking celery. May celery ako. Ayan. Gugupit-gupitin lang natin. Itong gunting ay panggupit talaga to ng aming mga karne, kung anong pagkain sa kusina. Ito ay para sa kusina lang. Binili ko to $25 kasi medyo ano to, may pangalan kaya mahal. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, wag nang gagamitin sa ibang gamit dahil pang ano to sa pagkain. At doon ko talaga siya binili sa bilihan ng mga kagamitan ng pagkain. So ayan, galing to sa Easy Grips. Easy Grips. Grips. Ayan, tuyo na guys ang ating adobo. Ayan. So, i-hold ko at ipo-focus ko sa inyo.